Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use WizTree on Windows 11 step by step. If you want to quickly analyze your storage, find large files, and free up disk space, WizTree is one of the fastest tools available for the job. So let's get started. First, make sure WizTree is installed on your Windows 11 computer. Open it from the Start menu, and if Windows asks for administrator permission, click Yes. This allows WizTree to scan your drives with full access and provide the most accurate results. Next, choose the drive you want to analyze from the drop-down menu at the top of the window. For most users, this will be the C drive. Then click the Scan button. WizTree will analyze the drive in just a few seconds and display a complete breakdown of your storage usage. Once the scan is finished, explore the tree view to see which folders are using the most space. You can expand folders to view their contents or switch to the File View tab to sort individual files by size, name, or location. This makes it easy to identify storage-heavy files that you may no longer need. You can also use the tree map at the bottom of the window. Each colored block represents a file, and larger blocks indicate larger files. Clicking a block will highlight the corresponding file, making it easier to locate and manage. Before deleting anything, review each file carefully to avoid removing important system or application files. Once you've identified unnecessary items, you can move or delete them to free up valuable disk space, and that's it. You now know how to use WizTree on Windows 11 to analyze storage and manage your files more efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch